Hello, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Researchers, stop paying for AI presentation tools. You've probably tried Gamma AI, Canva, and GenSpark, but they all hit you with paywalls. Today, I'm revealing a 100% free AI tool that can create stunning PowerPoint presentations in seconds. You can convert PDFs, YouTube links, Google Drive files, literally anything into professional, ready-to-use slides. Stay till the end because this tool will completely transform the way you make presentations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning PowerPoint presentations using Google NotebookLM, a powerful, completely free tool that instantly transforms your documents into professional slides. NotebookLM lets you upload a wide range of resources: PDFs, text files, Markdown documents, and even audio files. You can also connect your Google Drive to import files directly, or add YouTube links and website URLs for the AI to analyze and work with. This multi-source capability is what sets NotebookLM apart from traditional presentation tools. By pulling and synthesizing information from multiple documents, it produces presentations that are more complete, accurate, and well-rounded. For this demonstration, I'm using 3 academic papers that focus on artificial intelligence in mathematics education. The first paper is titled Roles and Research Trends of Artificial Intelligence in Higher Education, which is a systematic literature review that's quite lengthy in nature. The second paper is also titled Artificial Intelligence in Mathematics Education, another systematic literature review examining the field comprehensively. The third paper is The Use of Artificial Intelligence, AI in Mathematics Learning. These 3 resources will serve as the foundation for our PowerPoint presentation. Now, let's upload all 3 documents to NotebookLM. The upload only takes a few seconds, so just wait briefly while it completes. Once finished, NotebookLM generates a summary of all 3 academic papers. The heading AI and Mathematics Learning, a systematic review, provides a thorough overview, highlighting both the advantages and potential challenges of integrating AI into math education. The AI's capacity to merge 3 distinct papers into a unified summary showcases its ability to recognize and connect overarching themes across multiple documents. At this stage, you can engage with your uploaded materials by posing custom questions or utilizing NotebookLM's preset queries to uncover deeper insights. Today, however, our focus is on transforming these academic papers into a presentation. On the right side of the interface, you'll see that Google NotebookLM has introduced a new feature called Slide Deck, which turns your materials into visually striking PowerPoint presentations. Simply click on this option and wait for the process to finish. You'll notice that it is now generating a PowerPoint presentation using our 3 sources. The generation speed is remarkable. What would normally require hours of manual effort is completed in under a minute. And here it is. Now you can either share your presentation or view it directly within NotebookLM. Let's take a preview. As you'll notice, this is a complete PowerPoint presentation generated entirely from our uploaded academic papers. Each slide contains carefully organized content, relevant images and infographics, data visualizations, and professional formatting. You can move between slides to examine each one. The presentation has been crafted meticulously, with every key detail from the academic papers included thoughtfully. Notice how the AI has chosen visuals that perfectly complement the text. This contextual understanding greatly enhances the overall quality. Best of all, it's entirely free and incredibly easy to create. After reviewing your presentation, you can download it by clicking the download button. The process starts instantly, providing you with a fully functional PowerPoint file generated from your source materials. But that's not all. NotebookLM also lets you conduct research on any topic right within the platform. Simply click Discover Sources and enter your query. For example, I'm interested in exploring how AI is affecting human life. You'll see 2 options: Fast Search, perfect for quick results, and Deep Research, designed for a more comprehensive investigation. Let's choose Fast Search and press Enter. The search begins, and within seconds it completes, presenting 7 different sources relevant to our query. Let's import these sources. After importing, you'll see a comprehensive summary of your topic, synthesized from all 7 sources. You can then interact with this information to deepen your understanding even further. Now let's turn these newly discovered resources into another impressive PowerPoint presentation. Click Slide Deck and wait for the process to finish. It took about a minute and integrated all 10 sources seamlessly. Let's open the presentation. The slides are detailed and visually impressive. As you navigate through them, you'll see how every part of our prompt has been thoroughly addressed. This is the final version of a PowerPoint presentation created entirely with NotebookLM. And that's how you can produce stunning, fully free PowerPoint presentations using Google NotebookLM. There's no longer any need to depend on paid tools like Gamma AI, Canva, or similar platforms. This truly is a game-changing way to transform your existing files, whether PDFs, audio recordings, or other formats, into polished, professional presentations. You can also use the fast search or deep research features to turn your ideas into polished slide decks. NotebookLM truly democratizes professional presentation creation for students, educators, and professionals alike. This tool eliminates both financial and technical barriers to creating high-quality visual content. Give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.